Hey, it's Melissa Thompson with Crye-Leike Realtors in near Key to Memphis, and today I wanted to talk about slaying that credit score, just a new way to start for the new year. So stay tuned, we'll be right back. All right, first off, in regards to your credit score, shoot for perfection, which is 850, which I know seems awful high, but actually they say 1 in 200 people have that credit score. But I think they're very meticulous in looking at every detail that you need to figure out for your credit score to get up to 850. But if not, 750, go for the second best, which is 750, which is great. And at 750, you will have lenders fighting for your business because that's a good loan, that's a good credit score, and they'll give you a great rate, at 750. So if you need to shoot for that's good too. An app that I use honestly is Credit Karma. It's free, and the scores between a lender and what you're doing for credit cards and different things are different, but at least you can kind of keep an eye on that and see where you fall, and it just kind of helps you. You check it all the time. You can look at it on your phone and open up the app, and it'll kind of tell you if it's gone up or down and what has kind of dinged it. So it'll help you get into used to looking at it to see what affects it, so you'll know as well. Set up automatic payments. I think everything that you do, you can have automatic payments on. Memphis Light, Gas, and Water, all of our municipalities with the water departments, if you're on separate ones, they'll do them. Credit cards, of course. If you have a loan now, anything that you're on, set it up on that. So if you had a problem paying it on time, this will help, but of course, make sure you've got the money in there, when it comes out at that time as well. Don't be afraid to refinance. If you think I'm going to go ahead and buy something now, my credit score is not as good as where I want it to be, but it's good enough to get a loan, then you could do that. And at some other times you could refinance. So the caveat for that, in my opinion, is that it should be like 2 points different. So if you're buying it now and you're at 4.8, if it goes down, which I don't know that would happen unless you got some adjustment rate mortgage or something, then that would make sense. But we can talk about that when you get to that point as well. And watch your credit limit. So if you have a credit card and you can, use up to $5,000 as your limit, they say to use only up to 30% of your credit card, and 20% or 10% is even better. So 30% on 5,000 would be 1,500, and of course less if you did, less. Actually, if you get to zero balance, that dings your credit, because when they're looking at your credit score, they just want to make sure that you know how to manage your money. So it kind of seems backwards not to have anything on your credit card and you're paying it off, but if you keep it 30% for what you can use, that's the best thing to do. So anyways, those are just tips to help get your credit score ready where you can buy a house, or just different wherever you want it to be, to do different things with it. So if you want some more advice on that, or if you want a lender that we use to help you with that, just reach out and let us know. Our team's happy to help. And if you're ready to buy because your credit score is good too, we're here to help with that too. So anyways, just let us know. Thanks so much, and call me at 901-729-9526. Have a great day.